Children, continuing with agriculture, second part, wheat cultivation. Now wheat is the rabi crop and it is the staple food of many of the Indians in the north and in the northwestern portion of the country. We are the fourth largest producer of wheat, and wheat, it is a temperate crop. It is grown in winter and harvested in March and April. So that is the reason that it is the rabi crop. Now it grows well on the level plains, and if the area of farming area is mechanized, then more production is also gained, and it is mainly grown in the flat alluvial plains of North India. Based on the topography of the country, the geographical variation, two varieties of wheat are grown in India. One, that is a normal bread variety. Now it is grown where the soil is friable, loam and clay in nature, like in Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. The another one is the harder variety, that is known as the macaroni wheat. Now it grows well on the clayey black soil in the areas of high rainfall like Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and western Andhra Pradesh. Now where the soil is concerned, it grows well in the well-drained, fertile, friable, loamy, alluvial soil of the clayey composition, and it is found to be grown in the Indo-Gangetic plain. Now it can also be grown in the black cotton soil in the areas of Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. It requires a lot of fertilizer to supplement the soil deficiency there. Now where the climatic requirements are concerned, it includes the temperature and the rainfall condition. Temperature. Now wheat, it is the temperate crop. So it requires the cool climate with moderate rainfall. On an average, 10 to 15 degrees Celsius is the temperature condition that is required for it. Any sudden rise in the temperature, that is considered to be harmful. Now this is one of the reasons that why the wheat crop is found to be grown only in the northern portion of India, and it does not grow. It does not grow in the southern India. There is a comparison that is given between the rice and wheat crops in the page over there. So just go through that particular difference. Where the rainfall is concerned, it requires 50 to 100 centimeter of the rainfall during the growing season. So the low temperatures in October and November and the winter rains, that is the western disturbances, they are quite helpful for its growth. In the areas of less than 50 centimeter of the rainfall, irrigation is necessary. So this is what the rainfall requirement it was. The method of cultivations, since it is the rabi crop, so the seeds, they are sown by broadcasting, dibbling and drilling methods. Harvesting of the wheat crop, it includes the cutting of the plant with the sickle that is very close to the ground, thrashing it the same way that the rice it is thrashed on, and after that process of winnowing and sifting the crop. So for this purpose the combines that was introduced, and then it is the milling process. Now where the diseases they are concerned, fungal disease called rust that affects the production of the crop on a very large scale. The other diseases, they are stripe rust or yellow rust, black point and loose smut. Now where the problems of the wheat cultivation is concerned, frost and drought-like conditions, they are considered to be harmful for the growth of the crop. So is the high humidity. Any change in the temperature condition from low to excessive high, that is also considered harmful for the growth of the crop. Plus the continuing of growing up of the wheat crop, it leads to the lack of nitrogen in the cropping area. So that is also considered to be a problem for growing the wheat crop. Due to the effort of the Green Revolution in the early 60s, the wheat production, it has seen a very high rate of production. Uttar Pradesh is the largest producer of the wheat in India, but Uttar Pradesh, Punjab and Haryana together, they are known as the granary of India. The supply of the HYV seeds, then the use of the proper chemical fertilizers and the irrigation system and effective pest control measures, they have all contributed in the increase of the wheat production. Now, in order of the state, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Bihar, Gujarat and Maharashtra. These are the states that lead in the production of wheat, and these are also the states where the green revolution, it has reaped benefits. Let us go through the reason why Uttar Pradesh is leading where the wheat production is concerned. Because of the favorable climatic condition. That is one. The another thing is the alluvial soil deposit by river Ganga and its tributaries. Then the larger of the irrigation system, that is of the tube well. Then the good networking of the canal systems. The rainfall in these areas, it ranges between 50 to 100 centimeter during the rainy season, and during the winter it receives the rainfall between 3 to 7. It is for this reason that irrigation that is required over there. Since wheat is one season crop, rotation of the crop is important, and it also increases the fertility and helps the farmer to increase his income.